Data as an Agile product. Use AI to gather insights. Many people liken AI tools to collaborating with a helpful coworker. You've probably noticed that these systems can create user stories for product owners and handle many of the Scrum Master's administrative tasks. It's natural to worry that AI might take over your job. However, in the age of AI, it's more productive to focus on what humans excel at. Consider what jobs will be hardest to automate. For the past 300,000 years, humans have been the only species with advanced intelligence. We can write poetry, build new structures, and make significant scientific and medical advancements. Despite this, human capabilities are limited. While we know more than someone born 200 years ago, our inherent cognitive abilities haven't increased. A child from 50,000 years ago would likely perform just as well in school as a modern child. This explains why contemporary mathematicians and physicists still grapple with centuries-old questions. Our brain's processing speed and memory capacity remain unchanged from our ancestors. In contrast, AI capabilities can expand. AI systems could soon surpass human intelligence and continue to grow exponentially. While human intelligence may plateau, this doesn't diminish our importance. One enduring skill is our ability to interpret and make sense of data, often referred to as sense-making. You've likely heard that one of the most valuable skills for working with generative AI is prompt engineering. This involves creating precise prompts to extract data from an AI system efficiently. As you improve at this, you can obtain more information with fewer prompts. Clear prompts yield better code for software developers or more effective PowerPoint presentations. The overarching goal is to quickly gather valuable data from the system with minimal input. This skill, known by various names, is essentially data extraction, using AI as a tool to learn or achieve something new. This capability adds value to your organization. On an Agile team, it could mean using AI tools to uncover new insights about your customers, leading to innovative software solutions. While these roles are still emerging, prompt engineering has quickly become a sought-after position in the AI field. It's crucial to recognize that numerous roles focusing on data extraction from AI systems will continue to develop. These roles will evolve and become integral parts of Agile teams. Collect organizational knowledge. As Agile team members, you will increasingly interact with AI systems to collect valuable data. This data could come from platforms like GitHub, which uses advanced language models to generate software code, or from AI chatbots providing customer insights. However, raw data insights are just the beginning. To transform these insights into actionable organizational knowledge, human intervention is crucial. Consider a large health insurance company facing the challenge of predicting hospitalization costs, which vary significantly across hospitals for similar procedures. Your Agile AI team is tasked with creating a predictive tool for these costs. This task extends beyond traditional software development into data and analytics. Utilizing AI data preparation tools, your team can gather remaining data, such as hospital bills or credit card transactions, which AI systems can analyze to extract insights. With AI analytics tools like Tableau AI, your team can query the data directly, uncovering trends such as regional cost disparities in healthcare. These insights, once integrated, form a valuable knowledge base for your organization. They enable your team to develop tools that predict hospitalization costs, optimize insurance pricing, and recommend cost-effective medical procedures. Agile teams, enhanced by AI, become highly cross-functional, capable of both data analysis and software development. Despite AI's capabilities, human team members are essential for asking the right questions and translating insights into strategic organizational knowledge. AI systems contribute incrementally, but it's the human element that orchestrates these insights into a cohesive and effective structure. Knowledge goals. Let's revisit the project your AI Agile team is working on, predicting the cost of hospital procedures. To make accurate predictions, analysts first need to gather relevant data. Using tools like Tableau AI, they can query databases to extract valuable insights, transforming this information into organizational knowledge. With this enriched knowledge base, your system can make more accurate predictions about hospital costs. Next, leveraging code generators like Microsoft's GitHub Copilot, you can develop software to predict these costs effectively. The outcome is a powerful tool that converts organizational knowledge into actionable insights, a practice that has driven the success of giants like Google and LinkedIn. Your Agile team is now positioned to deliver an intelligent product. As we discussed earlier, AI significantly enhances your team's capabilities. Not only does your Agile team utilize AI tools to build products, but it also creates advanced AI systems. Your team's current project involves developing an AI chatbot to negotiate with hospitals. This chatbot will interact with doctors in real time, ensuring that procedures are covered by insurance. The system will store and compare procedural costs across different hospitals, streamlining the negotiation process. If you've ever had to negotiate medical coverage with your insurance company, you'll appreciate how this system eliminates the need for such interactions by handling them directly with hospitals. This ensures patients avoid unexpected medical bills, fostering a more transparent and stress-free experience. Throughout this project, your Agile team follows a systematic approach. Collecting data, generating insights, creating organizational knowledge, developing software tools with AI, and ultimately producing an intelligent product. Each step is supported by AI, illustrating how AI tools enhance the entire development process. This approach may differ from traditional software development, highlighting a shift where data becomes the cornerstone of creating intelligent systems. As you progress through this course, you'll learn about new roles within AI Agile teams and how these teams collaborate to build sophisticated AI-driven products. New team roles. Data analysts. In Scrum, technical roles aren't specifically named. Everyone is simply referred to as a developer, regardless of whether they're writing code, creating graphics, or managing databases. This term implies that development is the core of their role. However, in the AI era, where AI tools handle much of the development work, the role of a developer needs rethinking. Agile teams should pivot from product development to data discovery. LinkedIn research shows that skills like questioning and data classification are rapidly growing in importance, with a 300% increase in users adding questioning to their profiles. Thus, Agile teams should consider rebranding themselves as data scientists. To illustrate this shift, consider a large home improvement retailer that needs to optimize inventory distribution across its US stores. Traditionally, a product owner would gather user stories and collaborate with developers to create the software, inputting existing data. In the AI-driven approach, the product owner collects extensive data: sales, weather, housing, tax records, and collaborates with AI tools like Tableau AI to identify patterns and insights. This collaboration can lead to creating an intelligent inventory system that not only optimizes inventory distribution but also suggests store locations, clusters items, and aids in hiring decisions. In the AI age, user stories evolve into data requests, and backlog refinement becomes a series of exploratory question sessions. Scrum teams, traditionally focused on defining what the customer wants and how to deliver it, now balance understanding both what the customer wants and why it's needed. As data becomes the primary driver of products, the significance of software development diminishes. AI tools generate most of the software once the data is in place. Consequently, Agile teams shift their focus from development tasks to enhancing organizational knowledge and understanding the underlying reasons behind customer needs. Research leads. In 2001, the Agile Manifesto revolutionized software development. Over time, its principles have been adapted for various types of products. Today, as your team seeks to adopt an Agile mindset to deliver greater customer value, AI is once again reshaping Agile practices. This shift moves the focus from product development to data analysis. If you're using Scrum, what does this mean for your team? Traditionally, Scrum emphasizes feedback and experiments to create excellent products. However, when working with intelligent systems, Scrum's iterative and feedback-centric approach is equally valuable. Instead of experimenting with product versions, you're now analyzing and exploring data. To align with AI systems, Scrum roles need redefinition. Traditional Scrum roles are product-centric, but for intelligent systems, roles and responsibilities must shift. Instead of creating an entirely new framework, adapt Scrum's empirical process control and feedback spirit to data-focused tasks. Developers transition into data scientists, focusing on cleaning and analyzing data for intelligent systems. Product owners become research leads, responsible for sourcing and validating relevant data for the organization's needs. For example, in a mortgage company, the research lead ensures access to accurate pricing, climate, and credit data, vital for the intelligent system. Research leads also find that customers often articulate data needs better than product requirements, making data prioritization crucial. Software developers, accustomed to structured environments, might face a challenging transition. Data scientists must embrace uncertainty and ask insightful questions, engaging in prompt engineering and data visualization. Despite these challenges, the skills developed within a Scrum team, adaptability, iterative thinking, and collaboration, are beneficial. As a data scientist, you'll focus on transforming data into actionable insights. While the transition may be easier for some Scrum developers than others, the exciting work of building intelligent systems awaits those who adapt. Project managers. The Scrum Master is the team's servant leader, ensuring adherence to Scrum practices and handling administrative tasks. They are called Master because they coach the team to master Scrum. However, many of the administrative duties can now be managed by AI. Smart scheduling systems can book meetings, and AI tools can streamline daily Scrum meetings. This means the Scrum Master's role will evolve. Instead of having a full-time Scrum Master for each team, especially small teams, there will be fewer Scrum Masters overseeing multiple teams. Despite this shift, Scrum Masters will continue to play a crucial role in removing obstacles that hinder progress. Traditionally, they address organizational challenges, but with the rise of intelligent products, their focus will shift to data-related obstacles. Enter the Scrum Data Master. This new role will emphasize facilitating data flow and democratization within the organization, ensuring data insights reach decision-makers across different levels. For instance, in developing an AI-driven inventory management system for a national retailer, the Scrum Data Master will ensure that store personnel can effectively use the system and provide feedback. They will work to eliminate barriers to accessing necessary data and support the research team in obtaining the data needed for AI training. Moreover, the Scrum Data Master will organize brainstorming sessions for data scientists and reflection meetings for continuous improvement. As AI becomes integral to product development, the Scrum Data Master will guide teams through the transition, fostering innovation and adaptation in a data-driven landscape. Team challenges. The expertise death spiral. To date, you've explored the agile mindset and the integration of artificial intelligence. You've also seen how AI can transform traditional Scrum roles into data-centric positions, potentially replacing classic product-focused roles within your team. However, with these new roles come new challenges. Agile teams working with AI must navigate unique issues that arise with intelligent systems. One significant challenge is what I call the skills and knowledge erosion. Initially, it might sound like a quirky band name, but it represents a serious issue regarding the development of human expertise within your team. Imagine this: I don't usually carry a smartphone to avoid distractions, but there are trade-offs. A few months ago, I got lost while traveling. Despite finding a map, I couldn't use it effectively, having relied on digital navigation tools like Google Maps for so long that reading a paper map was beyond me. Similarly, I've lost other skills like writing checks, spelling, reading newspapers, and even basic math, all due to automation. This loss of proficiency is a real risk with AI systems. With advancements in AI, developers can now modify existing code rather than write it from scratch. And tools like large language models, LLMs, can draft emails. As AI assumes more tasks, our ability to perform these tasks diminishes. This means that developers might not gain the necessary experience to become senior developers. Furthermore, there may be less incentive to learn new programming languages, as AI can translate old code into new languages effortlessly, potentially stifling innovation. New programming languages often foster new ways of thinking about software. LLMs learn from the creativity of human coders, but if fewer people are coding or experimenting with new languages, the AI won't have the data to train effectively. This creates a cycle. As AI replaces specialized tasks, people lose the motivation to master them, and without skilled individuals, the AI cannot evolve. For instance, I can't train an AI to write checks because I've stopped doing it, leaving us dependent on outdated automated systems. There's no simple solution to this problem, much like why maps are no longer sold at gas stations. If you're a developer eager to learn, you might need to pursue education beyond your team's scope. This is why many programmers join open-source projects or attend meetups to share ideas. Staying curious and proactive is crucial, even when there isn't an immediate necessity. The alignment problem. OpenAI's co-founder once envisioned artificial intelligence as a means to replicate human cognition within a computer. However, this isn't quite what AI systems are doing today. While AI can generate remarkably human-like content, such as poems and artworks, it does so through fundamentally different processes. Unlike humans, these systems operate on statistical models and probabilities rather than personal experiences or emotions. For instance, AI generates poetry by analyzing and mimicking vast quantities of existing poems, predicting the likelihood of word sequences. Similarly, it creates images by calculating pixel values and their probable arrangements. This method is alien to any living creature's way of thinking, be it a bird, cat, or even a shark. Understanding this distinction is crucial for data science teams. It's essential to grasp the alignment problem in AI, where the system may perform tasks in a way that seems correct but doesn't align with human intent. Stuart Russell from Berkeley illustrates this with classic tales like King Midas, where the unintended consequences of wishes highlight the misalignment. An AI might solve a problem effectively but in a manner that is far from desirable. For example, an AI designed to reduce healthcare costs might suggest extreme measures like firing older employees. Or, one tasked with reducing traffic accidents might propose eliminating cars. This underscores the importance of continuous feedback and precise goal setting in AI projects. Like in a Scrum environment, this process involves constant review and adjustment. Always remember, AI operates on a different logic than human thought, and overlooking this can lead to costly misalignments. Copyright and fair use. Imagine you're a journalist who has spent years researching the Polynesian Islands, or a painter developing your own unique style, or even an agile coach with decades of experience. Each of these individuals has invested considerable effort into their work, which they then share through books, articles, videos, and art. This not only allows them to earn a living but also fuels their creative process. Generative AI systems, by training on this vast array of work, can build versatile models that mimic these experiences. They can generate art that resembles your style, discuss the Polynesian Islands with impressive depth, or provide agile coaching with similar insights. This is why copyright law exists, to ensure that creators are compensated for their work and to prevent unauthorized duplication. Copyright balances public access to information with the creator's right to earn from their efforts. Fair use permits the use of copyrighted material for learning and inspiration without harming the creator's financial interests. Generative AI, however, raises complex questions about fair use. Although it doesn't replicate existing works directly, it draws on them for inspiration. As an Agile team member, you'll handle significant amounts of data, some of which may be copyrighted. It's crucial to consider whether your use of this data aligns with fair use principles. Missteps can have serious consequences, such as needing to discard entire datasets if they contain non-compliant material. Just as software developers must navigate open source and licensed software, data analysts need to be aware of copyright issues. You don't need legal expertise, but a basic understanding of copyright law will help you identify potential issues and consult with the right experts. Your team should familiarize themselves with these concepts to effectively manage data challenges in the evolving landscape of generative AI. Conclusion. Prepare for the age of AI. In the coming decades, AI is set to revolutionize how we work, driving unprecedented gains in productivity and economic growth. However, not every career will benefit equally from these advancements. As AI continues to evolve, those working on Agile teams may find their roles shifting from traditional software development to a focus on research and data analysis. Adapting to this new landscape requires flexibility and a willingness to acquire new skills. The strategies that once guaranteed success might need rethinking in an AI-driven world. With AI potentially taking over tasks such as software creation, user story writing, and project estimation, it's likely you'll need to reassess your career trajectory. Technology is always evolving, and staying ahead means embracing change. Start by enhancing your proficiency with data, delving into data science, visualizations, and statistics. While AI excels at recognizing complex patterns, humans still play a crucial role in interpreting and making decisions based on these patterns. As an Agile professional, you can leverage these skills to build deeper organizational insights. For ongoing updates on Agile, AI, and related courses, connect with me on LinkedIn, where I share valuable content to support you and your team. Remember, staying adaptable and continuously learning new skills will open doors to new opportunities in the age of AI.